Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to redeem codes in Delta Force mobile game. So you need to open the game in your mobile phone and you need to log into your account. Then you need to click settings in the top right. Then you need to click events in the top menu and you need to look at the left menu. There is others in the bottom. You need to click it and you need to scroll all the way down and you need to go to the redemption center right here. And then you need to click this button in the bottom right corner, go. It will redirect you to the website where you need to enter the Delta Force code, guys. So you need to enter the code, guys. If you don't know where you can find the codes, you can just simply go to the Google and write the simple keyword Delta Force promo codes or Delta Force codes, and you will see a lot of websites. There are different codes, so you can use them. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.